Hey, how's it going? Today we're gonna go over how to draw Camilo from Encanto. So it's gonna be simple, easy, I think for beginners. So let's get started, okay? It's gonna be just like the face and shoulders, real simple shit. Ooh, excuse me. First thing I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna start with Camilo's eye. It's gonna be more or less like a straight line. Curve underneath for this edge of this eye. Gonna go over here now, and I'm gonna draw the nose only a little bit further than that, not too far. It's gonna curve right there, so that's the bridge of the nose. Curve here. Curve on the right side for the far side nostril. Pull back a bit on that nostril. Gonna go over here on this side. Gonna find this nostril that's closest to us. Curve here, like so. All right. Now we have a good place to put the far side eye. It's gonna connect over here to what we did, the bridge line over here. Curve underneath as well. And then over here on this side, we're gonna draw a curve. Over here and curve. You know, so that's gonna be the pupil and iris right there. And what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna fill those in except for like a highlight right there. Curve over here. Okay, so we have the eyes. Now we're gonna draw the eyelids on top. Over here, curve. Top right there. Over here, curve right here. And he's got that kind of like chill, droopy, like eye, kind of like, hey, whatever, like this chill attitude a lot of times, at least when he's at rest, so. All right, over here, excuse me, like yawning. Line over here. Down, curve for the one eyebrow, out, out. You got the other eyebrow. And let's fill those in. All right, let's find the side of his face. So maybe like over here is gonna be the brow, curve in, out for the cheek. And then I'm gonna curve here. So his cheek here is gonna curve down. The chin's gonna have a bit of a point to it. Going over here, find the far side of the jaw first, maybe somewhere like over here, not too far. And I like pulling the line from that way in. So go over here, down to be a little soft, pull in, like so. All right. So let's find his mouth. I'm gonna go over here and I'm gonna start with a smile. And I can mark out this edge of this smile. Pull down. Then it's gonna go straight across, then curve up. Line over here on the right side, line over here on the left. And we're gonna find the lips now. So that's a part of the mouth, and now we're gonna find the lips. Just a curve right there, and then a curve over here. For the lips. Draw some freckles. 1, 2, 3, and then 1, 2, 3 on his cheek, and then maybe a couple across right there. And so let's draw his hair, which is a big part of his character. So I'm gonna do an S curve right here, kind of in the middle of his forehead. Pull back. Then I'm gonna curve over here, kind of into that eyebrow. That's why we didn't draw that whole eyebrow. It's gonna be a wiggly line coming down, maybe another curve here. One thing I forgot to do over here, so about this level of his smile, I'm gonna curve up for his ear. And then I'm gonna cover that top part of the ear with hair. And then I'm gonna throw like a line in there. Almost looks like a, I don't know, lesser than shape for the inner ear there. But this is still gonna go. All right, over here on this side, I'm gonna curve over here for the rest of the forehead. Over here on this side, I'm gonna start maybe not too high. I'm gonna find the wiggliness of his hair. Maybe pull a little curl out there. Maybe another little curl here. It's gonna go up here. This side of his hair is gonna go a little bit out, a little bit more. Kind of wiggliness. So every now and then I have this hook shape that comes out. Pulling down. Before we close it off, I'm gonna draw his neck. Line down here. Line over here. And then the reason I want his neck is so that this hair can kind of meet right there. I'm gonna find the collar of the undershirt I think he's wearing. Down, up, out, down, out, down. Neck down here, because I think he's wearing a poncho. I think that's a poncho. Out over here for the shoulder, down, out over here for the shoulder, down. If you want to make this look more like a poncho, I would kind of and thinly draw these lines on here. He has like these lines all over. And don't draw the line for the armpit, you know? Because usually in a regular shirt, you draw the line for the armpit. And there you go, it's Camilo. I think it's Camilo, that's how you pronounce it. I think, right? All right. Because like one L, Camillo would be like two L's. There you go. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe. If you made it this far, hit that bell notification when you subscribe, and also press the like. I keep forgetting to say that stuff. I should say it at the beginning, but hit the like button if you do, and that helps the whole channel out when you do that. Go to other videos that you like, and hit that like button there too. It really, really fuels the entire channel and helps us survive. Thank you so much, and I'll talk to you next time.
Hey, for those of you that are a little bit more serious and you really want to kind of upgrade your art skill all around, I have these beginner art lessons here on my Skillshare. So the idea with this is that some people that, you know, for example, on YouTube, people just kind of want to draw what's in the video and just generally have a fun time. They're not always concerned about the little details and stuff about learning how to do this stuff, you know, long term. And I get that, that's fun. But for some people want to upgrade their art ability entirely, like all around, like they're serious about it. If that's you, go here. Like I said, there's programs here on even some of the same material. Like I said, it's just a lot more in depth. My eye drawing program is an hour as opposed to the video I have on YouTube, which is like 10 minutes, right? You can still learn from both, but like I said, if you really want more and you really want to make this part of your life, go here. I have same thing over here, how to draw a dragon head. I have anime, I have cartoons. There's categories for everything, and everything is for beginners. The other thing about this website is it's incredibly easy to watch it. This is like the Netflix of like drawing lessons. So you can go through the entire site, see everybody else's lessons. And normally the site costs like 30 to 40 bucks a month. Because you're watching this video right now, if you're still watching right now, you get it for free for at least a month. Like 30 days, that's a lot. But just what you have to do is go over here to the video, go down, first link in the description, the very, very first link. That gives you free access to this whole thing for 30 days. You just go over here, you click this thing, boom, and then you sign up. And it's super easy, and the cool part is you can just straight up cancel it before the 30 days is up, and you never pay a single thing. You never pay a cent, and you got all this learning from it. But yeah, like I said, that's an option for you guys. If you guys want to do it, absolutely go hit that up. And that's it. So talk to you later, and hopefully I'll catch you over there later. Thank you so much. You are amazing. Over here on the right, you're going to see my most recent upload, and on the top corner over here, you're going to see just another selection, another cool selection that has to do kind of with the subject of this video. And over here at the top, you can hit the subscribe to see a lot more. This is awesome, and I'll see you next time.